The world record for the 10,000 meter run has been decreasing steadily since 1940. The record is approximately 30.18 minutes minus 0.06 times the number of years since 1940. The function r of t equals 30.18 minus 0.06 t estimates the record r in minutes as a function of t, the time in years since 1940. Predict what the record will be in 2012. Now we're given our function, and really the challenge here will be to decide what t is when we substitute in to find the record r. We want to find the record in the year 2012, and in 2012 t will be 2012 minus 1940, or 72 years after 1940. So what we want to find then is r of 72. And to find that, we simply substitute 72 for t in the expression that defines the function. We have then 30.18 minus 0.06 times 72 is 4.32. And then when we do the subtraction, we get 25.86. So we predict that the record will be 25.86 minutes in the year 2012.